whatever research papers I have gone through, they have not established any kind of mechanism of it, basically. But there can be a tentative explanation that how it cools down the body. First of all, we are in that position where our chest is open completely, right? When the chest is open, we are, first of all, our cowardness has gone. We are Leo, first of all, and Leo doesn't have any kind of timidness inside. You're with open chest. Okay, when you are afraid, you are always like this. Okay, I don't know who will actually say what to me, I don't know who will beat me, boss will come here, or he may ask this, she may ask this, that way. If you see, first of all, second thing, there is a pressure a little bit. Knuckles are touching to the Anahata chakra. Whenever knuckles are touching to Anahata chakra, the Anahata chakra activates. It's very difficult. It's a place where hard hitting can even take life. It's so sensitive place. So that's the reason. If you go for karate classes, they'll always say that your first thing is that to actually cross your hand, so that even if somebody hits it, it should take it back. Okay, so this way they say. So reason that any sort of blow on a center where Anahata chakra is there, that should be avoided. That's the reason you'll find that the chest is bigger than chest is actually protruding. Our chest is protruding than the Anahata chakra. So it should be protected. Body has protected all kinds of chakra from the external stimulus. So you are touching your Anahata chakra, correct? Which is a very sensitive part of it. That is a second thing. Third thing is that you all know that in sun salutation there is a very high importance of breathing. During this stage, it is said that generally you should breathe in and breathe out before going for again breathe in the Urdhva Hastasana or Uttana Hastasana. Okay, so you should breathe out. So breathe in and breathe out. Very important point is that when you are doing the Pranamasan, your control over the breathing is very important. Many papers they say that before starting the Surya Namaskar, Pranamasan, you should have at least first time 5 breathe in and 5 breathe out. So needless to say that even if you are not in Pranamasan, how to cool down nervous system? Very simple technique. Try it sometimes. Try it. You just close your eyes and breathe very slowly. Okay. And if you have breathed in for 5 seconds, now release this breath in 15 seconds. Okay. Now while releasing this breath in 15 seconds, you will find that you have to control your breath. When you control your breath, try this. Take a deep breath and release it very slowly with controlling the breath. Now, in these 10 seconds of breathe out, what are the thoughts you have? Anybody has any thought while breathe out? Anybody? Even one person?
No.
Not even single person. No thoughts. See, very simple.
Concentration is only on breathing out.
Correct. See, what is the relaxation is very simple. The definition of relaxation is absence of thoughts. If somebody asks what is the definition of relaxation, is absence of thought. So during laughter, you don't have thoughts because you are concentrating on laughter. Okay. During crying you have thoughts. That is true. But laughter doesn't have. And this is the gift only given to human. You have never seen a dog is laughing loudly. No. The dog will bark only. Okay. Or cat will say meow. But cat will not laugh. Okay. They have only one emotion of no emotion, or they are angry. Right? So we have been only given this one. So there are even Patanjali has also given many position and events of life where we are tadakar with it. We are actually in sync with it. So one of them is that when you are with your breath, you are actually your nervous system is actually aligned.